Hello crafty family, and welcome to another video by She's So Crafty. It's shopping Sunday and the truck just arrived at the Dollar Tree, so we are headed out there to check out all of the new surprises in store this week. So make sure you keep an eye out for these items on your next trip, and let's dive in. So I'm starting off in the wearables, and look what I spotted. I spotted these shoes. Now these are a high-end shoe. They are made by a company called Layer 8, and I thought that this was such an amazing find. So what I did is I actually purchased one of these and I brought it home to open it, and oh my goodness, the quality is amazing. So here is the shoe. You can see it has the Layer 8 logo engraved on the bottom of it, and it has this little strap where you can use for a heel strap or a top strap, kind of similar to what Crocs have, but these are not foam. These are solid rubber, and they look like they have a woven mesh design, but these are all solid rubber, which means they are waterproof. I thought that the quality and the details on these were so amazing. If you see these, make sure you grab them. Another item they had in the wearables are these sets. I thought these were so adorable. So these are a Marilyn Monroe set. It's a pair of socks and a matching pair of socks for your fur baby. So it comes with 4 little socks and then a pair of socks for the human. So I thought that these were really pretty and cute. They have several different colors and styles of these. So definitely grab some of these for that fur baby lover in your family. And how you doing? So I did find these socks. These are more of the Friends socks. I haven't found these, and so I was so glad to see them today. They also have the pivot socks on the back. If you are a Friends watcher, you know what I'm talking about. So definitely be on the lookout. They're showing up weekly at my stores. Another Friends item that they had in health and beauty are these. So these are like cafe cups with the little lip balms inside. This is the time to start gathering up your stocking stuffers, so you definitely want to grab a few of these to add to the bunch. In the craft section, they have some wood items. Now, these are some wood items I can definitely back up for the price. So these are shapes that have that mitered edge or that nice routed edge that gives it that high-end look. $1.25 for these is a great deal. You can also get different shapes, and I did find this one here today. So be on the lookout. They always have really cute deals for these wood shapes that are engraved. Now look at this, another item returning to Dollar Tree. These are metal hooks that you put on the wall or for your decor. So glad to see those back, only $1.25. And then I featured these signs a few weeks ago. I found the Texas one today for Route 66. These are metal signs, great deal. If you are looking for mirrors, they have an assortment at the Dollar Tree, whether you want to use them for just decor or to DIY with. They just restocked them at my Dollar Tree, so be on the lookout. These were a new find today. So these are little box-shaped art pieces, but look in the back. They have another one included. So these come in 2-piece sets. I saw 2 different styles at my Dollar Tree. This is such a bang for your $1.25 here because you get 2 pieces that you can display or craft with. I don't know if spring items are arriving early, but I did see these. Now these are a love and a home sign. I love the little wreath at the middle of these, really pretty, and they're layered with that metal. Now these great gift boxes are popping up around Dollar Tree around Christmas, so I love finding the new finds. Look at this beaded looped strand here. So these all come with a little tag on the end with a word, inspirational word, and they have a combination of different colors of wood beads. I see that the Dollar Tree is definitely stepping up their game. And look at this one. If you look close at the brown beads in this, it has like a textured or speckled design to give it that little upgrade in character and style. Definitely a great deal. Here's another box. Look, I have crafted with these all the time, and people always ask them when I find them. This is the first time I've seen them come out for Christmas, and look, they have them in different colors: black, gold, and silver. Definitely stock up on these if you plan to use them or craft with them. A great deal. These are new. So I featured a version of these a few months ago at my Dollar Tree, but they have released some other new ones. They have more of a Christmas theme with that red and black buffalo check on them. These are so gorgeous to use together or take apart. Now this home sign was also new. I've never seen that one. So lots of new things are popping up at the store. Now I smelled these before I got to them. These are wax melts and this one is so nice. It has a nice sweet rosé watermelon or a cucumber smell on this one. Now this one is actually the one that's a watermelon. So it's a cucumber watermelon mint. The throw on these is amazing. Definitely great to add to a gift basket or something like that. Really nice deal. Now this was definitely a score today. Look how thick these signs are. So these are like chalkboard style signs. I've never seen these at the Dollar Tree before. First time find. I thought these were actually in a really good quality for $1.25, but when I flipped it over, I noticed that it was made by Ashland and retailed for $12. So these are one of those items that the Dollar Tree is starting to receive to sell at that $1.25 price point. That is a steal. So I definitely grabbed some of these. In the hardware aisle, look what I spotted. These rubber dipped gloves. These are work gloves, Speed Knit brand. Very nice quality. You guys, I do a lot of woodworking and home improvement and things around the house, and these are awesome. Now the Dollar Tree has their version. It has a nice smooth dipped back, but I can say these are quality. So I definitely bought these. They have extra small to extra large, and I took them home to try them on. The first thing I can say, look how far up they go. I love this because I end up scratching up my wrists a lot, and this protects them. These fit so nice, very stretchy, but I have to say the texture on the bottom is the winner. This lets you grip whatever you're working on. It's not smooth, so things slip away. So I definitely will say thumbs up for $1.25 on these. Speaking of gloves, in the health and beauty, they did have these Copper Care gloves. The Copper Care has several different items in their line, and I spot one every week. In the health and beauty, also, look, they have these toothbrushes, a new line called the Eco Gang. Now, they did have this eco-friendly line of toothbrushes like plant-based bamboo materials or vegan. So if you are into reducing that carbon footprint or just love plant-based items, definitely check it. And look, they even have floss, so be on the lookout for these for $1.25. This would also make a great stocking stuffer. This is a popsicle shaped little sponge the kids would love to bathe with. I think that is so fun. A great item to add to a Christmas stocking. Here's another item. These are the 21-piece first aid kits. Now, we've seen those in the little cheap plastic containers, but this time I found them in these really nice metal containers, and these are large where you can put more items in them. They come with fun kid prints or very basic prints. Definitely one you want to grab to keep in your vehicles. Now look at this, just in time for Christmas, they have the pre-cut parchment papers that you can use for baking and all kinds of things you do in the kitchen. Or if you like me and loved crafting, I love to use this 100 count pack here. When I use a lot of my glue gun projects, this is the perfect to catch drips and runoffs. Here's another brand new item that just showed up. These Farberware brand straws. Oh my goodness, when I saw these, I was so surprised. So I did look them up. They were around $9 online. They're only $1.25 at the Dollar Tree. So if you love these types of straws, grab them now. This little mason jar is so cute with the red and black lid and the candy cane straw. Perfect for Christmas. And check out this LED coaster. I thought this was so neat. So if you have parties and gatherings and just want to fancy up your coaster style, you need to grab one of these. And I definitely did. Now beware, there are lights in here. So if you're sensitive to flashing lights, just a heads up. So I took this out and there's a little clicker button on the top. So you click it once and it has all of these really pretty flashing lights. How fun is that? You click it again, it has a different lighting pattern, so you can choose between the two. And if you don't want any flashing, you click it one more time and it has a steady light. I think this is so fun, and look how bright these are. Oh my goodness, a very good deal for $1.25. Another great stocking stuffer in stationery are these pins. Now, I have seen these before in white and gold, but I haven't seen this many colors before. I think these are so cute. And here's another item with the stocking stuffer line. They have the little rainbows, the moons, the suns, and the storm cloud pins. Add these to a gift basket or a stocking as well. This is a neat item. So this is a money marker counterfeit pin. If you do a lot of person-to-person cash transactions or yard sales, I think that this will be great to keep on hand for counterfeit bill marking. And I don't know where I have been. The Dollar Tree has really expanded their line of sunflower seeds. So they have like Takis flavor, Taco Supreme, Taco Bell, dill pickle, and look, sizzling bacon. I mean, where did all these flavors come from? I just thought I would feature that because I just thought that that was so fun. So now I'm going to go over to the Christmas section to see what's new. And the first thing I spotted were these bay leaf bundles. These come in different colors like gold, they have white, they even have this really pretty red and silver. Great for little Christmas, little arrangements or crafts. And look at this huge bike bag. So the bike bag is 60 inches by 72 inches. You can fit a whole bicycle in there. I think that that's fun. And if you don't want that big of a bag, then still want a large one, they have a giant gift bag. And that one is 36 inches by 44 inches. Now they did come in assorted patterns, so you'll dig through and pick the ones that you want. But I thought that these were a great idea if you wanted large Christmas bags. And one of my favorites every year are the stockings, especially the ones that are embroidered. These make it look so expensive, and you can choose the letter so you'll have a personalized gift. Now these are another cute item. I believe I saw these either last year or the year before, but these are little jars with snow, Christmas trees, berries, or even little pine cones. I think these are so cute. And underneath, they got a new shipment of those acrylic looking deer, so be on the lookout. They are showing back up. Now in the Christmas section, when you get to the candy, look at these flavors. I've never seen these flavors for candy canes. So they have the Twinkies. They have these that are the creamsicles. Look at this. They have the jet puffed marshmallow flavor. They even have hot cocoa. I did not know that they had this many flavors of candy canes. Now on the end here, they did have a Kool-Aid flavored candy cane in multiple flavors. And then down here, look at this. Fruity Pebbles. Where are they doing that? I mean, seriously. Jello. And then the Warheads Sour. So if you love multiple flavors and colors, check out the Dollar Tree. They also have larger candy canes, and these are great for stocking stuffers. They did have these Kool-Aid candy canes here. They have this one in cherry, and then in the back I did see some grape as well. They might have had even more, but I was trying to prevent them all from falling out when I was recording. And look at this one. They have this one too. This one's really fun in a birthday cake flavor. And they have Peeps. Who knew that they had Peeps for Christmas? So they have little Peeps Christmas trees. I thought that was really fun. So now I'm going to walk over to the plush section to see what they have. And the first thing I spotted was this Santa sack. This is one of those little plush Santa sacks, one that you can use year to year, and it's only $3. Another item, and I'm not sure if I feature these. These are the inflatable ornaments that are clear, or you can get the ones that are designed. These would look great around the house, outside, or hanging from a front yard tree for only $5. Now this was a brand new arrival at my Dollar Tree. I was actually really impressed by this. So these are snow globes, and not your regular snow globe. These have lights, music, and the snow is powered by a fan. You guys, these are only $5. I've never seen an item like this at the Dollar Tree. I was really impressed. So I did buy the white one. Now, if you look here, it has a code on it where you can scan it in store and see a video on YouTube on how it works. But I did take one home. I bought the white one with the little farmhouse and the little tree inside. And when you turn it on, you have the option to have music or no music, but they do have fan and lights with both settings. How cute is that? So it looks like a little house in a winter storm. I just thought this was a genius idea. I love this. I plan to DIY with this. So definitely pick this up for only $5 if you see it. they sold out in a day at my store. These are nice too. These are the plug-in oil warmers. Now I did see some of these last year, but I did see some new ones this year. So you can get them in like a gnome, a snowflake design. They did have the snowflake design in blue and white. You can get a snowman, or you can get this like little red house shape. I thought that one was really pretty too. Great little gift idea for only $5. And then finally, last week I featured the Jelly Belly little gingerbread houses, but this week they had the fun Fetty one. I think that these make such a fun family project that you could put together with the kids. And then here's one that's a Mike and Ike theme with all the fun pieces and colors. Definitely grab this. I think this is so fun for the family to do every year for the holidays. Now, if you missed my shopping video last week featuring even more amazing finds at the Dollar Tree, check it out now by clicking the link in the upper right hand corner of this video, or click the link provided in the description box below. Now, I do hope you guys enjoyed coming along with me on this shopping trip today, and if you want to see what I create with my Dollar Tree supplies, you can check out my Dollar Tree Crafts playlist with hundreds of projects that will inspire you to get creative too. Now, before I go, I just wanted to say thank you for sticking around to the end. Now, a few weeks ago, I featured these Christmas zippered pillow covers that just came back to the Dollar Tree this year. Now, I will be giving away a set of 4 of these to one lucky viewer. Now, to enter this giveaway, just leave a comment below answering this question. What were your top 3 favorite items in this video today? Now, this contest closes on Tuesday, November 21st at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, so be sure to comment before this time. And most importantly, make sure you are subscribed and have your notifications turned on so you won't miss the notification if your comment is selected as the winner. Now, you can also check back on Wednesday, November 22nd to see if you are selected by checking my top pinned comment in the comment section, and I'll also respond directly to your comment if you are the winner. Now, it's important to know that this contest is not sponsored by YouTube, and we are solely responsible for conducting the contest and delivering the prize to the winner. So please be sure to read the full list of rules in the description box below and to make sure you meet all of the requirements for a valid entry. I do wish each and every one of you good luck. Now listen, it's so wonderful that you tuned in today, and I know you love Dollar Tree as much as I do, so do me a favor and give me a thumbs up on this video. Make sure you don't miss a video by subscribing and hit that bell to be notified when we go live, because it doesn't cost a thing. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you all next time.